after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
Hi Tiya Sana, kumusta? Happy birthday Tiya. Malipayong pagsaulog sa imong adlang matawhan, taliwala ning atong krisis sa kalibutan karon. Akong gipangaliya, hatagan ka kanunay sa atong mahal nga makagagahom, maayong panglawas ug malipayon ka kanunay. I miss you Tiya Sana. Give my best regards sa tanan and my big hugs. Again, happy 93rd birthday and still counting. Cheers for life, Tiya Sana, from California, USA, with love, Vicky.
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blues. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to beautiful. I don't think you'd mind it if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to I love you? We both have a love so perfect. I would never want to hurt it. You should change your name to beautiful.
very much, Ma'am Vicky.